and welcome back to my channel. So yeah, I've been on YouTube for like a year now, but I still haven't really gotten the hang of regular uploads. But I'm trying my best. You know, school takes up a lot of my time, but here we are, and I'm going to be filming a Christmas full day of eating. Today I'm just going to be eating Swedish Christmas food. So it's not going to be a regular full day of eating because I find those kind of boring. You know, after a while it's like you're just going to see the same foods. So when I do full days of eating, I might as well do some type of a theme with it, such as, you know, only eating a certain coloured food or Christmas inspired or, you know, whatever. So I did some prepping yesterday, so the only thing I'm really gonna cook is lunch or dinner. Otherwise the majority of my food is cooked and prepared. The food I'm eating is Swedish Christmas food, basically. So what you eat for Christmas will most probably vary depending on what country you live in. I love Christmas food, so I am ready to eat. Also, I'm starting this a bit late because I woke up, I wasn't hungry at all, still full from the 4 saffron buns I ate yesterday evening. So I've been to the gym, I've had some coffee and all of that, and it's now 11:15 and I'm gonna eat my breakfast. Some cinnamon. This is the best vegan spread. So breakfast is some rice pudding and sandwich with tofu skagenröra. I'm not so sure how it's going to work with the bread that has raisin in it. I think it might be weird, but I love bread with raisin, and it's like a typical Christmas bread. Maybe not the best combo, but it works. Okay, so I'm gonna make a green kale pie, like I said earlier. I'm sort of improvising this, so I have a kind of similar base recipe on my blog. I will link it down below. I will link all the recipes from the food I eat today down below, and but I'm sort of gonna freestyle this, test something different and new, see how it works out. You know, it could be a disaster or it could turn out great, but that's kind of what you have to do. Yeah, that's kind of what you have to do when testing recipes. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So the first thing is to make the pie or the base, and then just let it rest in the fridge for like 30 minutes before baking. So regular flour, vegan margarine, just some water, salt, all of that. Then I'm gonna make you know, so you can make a pie filling different ways. Some people use a tofu base where they use like the soft silkes tofu and they mix it smooth. Others use chickpea flour, sometimes you just use cream, or like oat cream. Now I'm thinking I'm gonna base it on chickpea flour and like oat cream. I'm gonna see how that works for a kind of filling. Yeah, and then just green kale, vegan chicken pieces, and onion. Also, usually you top with walnuts, but I don't have any, and I really don't feel like running to the store just for walnuts, so it'll be fine without. it's now a good texture, all combined. And I'm going to put that in the fridge for 30 minutes. I'm going to make the filling, and as I said, I'm going to base it on chickpea flour and oat cream, and we'll see how this works out. As you all know, I usually use these deciliter, basically 100 milliliters. That's usually what I use to measure, like both dry and wet, because it's easier, but I've promised to get better at using weighing scales, because of course deciliter, milliliter isn't universal. A lot more people use grams, so now I'm going to measure out. I think I'm going to start with 200 milliliters. We'll see how much that is in gram, and then I'll add more if I need it. Okay, so 2 heaped basically. Around 130 grams. Add some salt, pepper, teaspoon cornstarch. It shouldn't need this, but just to help it, just to make sure that it's firm. I'm also going to use some Kale. Basically, this like black salt, which has a lot of sulfur, so it gives it an eggy taste and smell. It's gonna smell like fart or overly boiled eggs in my apartment. Like a half teaspoon. Don't use this on the first date. Now I'm just going to measure out liquid until it turns to a right texture. So I'm going to do 50-50 oat cream and water, I think. So it's really thick now, but I'm just going to add a little bit more to thin it out. The problem is that I could thin it out too much, so it won't actually, so it will just like ooze out. I don't really know. Okay, so 230 milliliters liquid. I think it's the right consistency. Now the pie form. Into the oven for about 20 minutes at 200 degrees. Okay, so it's later than I thought or planned. It is 2:30. You can't see that. Basically I filmed in 2 videos, I baked the pie, all of that, so it took a lot longer than I thought. But now I'm gonna eat a late lunch. So I'm gonna try the pie, some of the tofu skagenröra, and then toast with beetroot salad and vegan meatballs. Very Swedish Christmas style. And yeah, it's gonna be a lot of bread today, but I'm not mad about it. My camera battery is flashing, so I think it's gonna die at any second. The pie is good, very filling. So like one slice is, you know, a lot. But it's good. it works with the chickpea filling. Now, you don't want to be wearing white when eating beetroot salad. I'm not a huge fan of this bread. There's better bread out there, but you know, I might make some French toast or bread casserole with what's left. 10 out of 10 for lunch. This of course is not my typical or standard lunch. Typically, you know, I'd go for a butter bowl or like lentil soup or something like that, but you know, going Christmas buffet style. I'm drinking Oumph, which is similar to Coke, but it has like Christmas spices in it. This brand is not my favorite, but it was on sale, so I thought I'll get it. It's fine. I need to charge my camera battery, so I will see you again when it's time to eat again. So I got caught up in work as usual, 10 to 6. How cute is my dog though? It's 10 to 6 and I have put the roasted vegetables in the oven, and I think I'm just going to do some roasted vegetables, some Hasselback potatoes, some vegan meatballs, some more of the beetroot salad. Like, other ideas I had was to make a kind of tofu ribs with a kind of like sticky sauce. I was thinking I would try to make a seitan ham, but that takes like 2 hours and I just didn't feel like it, so I'll try to make one of those before Christmas, see how it works out. And other things like a red cabbage salad. I'm thinking I might run to the store and see if they have red cabbage and then throw together a red cabbage apple salad, and some type of like vinaigrette salad or sauce. I don't know, I'll see. But yeah, I got in a bit hungry before dinner, so I'm gonna eat 2 so it's salted caramel corn cakes. These are my absolute favorite. They're limited edition, so I feel like I should buy like 10 packs just to have at home in case, or like when they stop producing them. They're so good. Basically like popcorn with salted caramel and then some salted vegan spread on top. Going for one more. I have got myself a Christmas style buffet right here. Why keep it simple when you can make a bunch of different foods? So a little bit risky eating beetroot salad on a white bed, but you know, gonna try to not spill. Got some reading, work to do, a bunch of, you know, coaching, nutrition, and then health promotion and epidemiology. Yeah, interventions, health promotions. Got a bunch of reading, writing to do. So that is my Saturday plans. definitely not so exciting. But the thing is, I film these what I eat in the days on the days I don't do anything, because if I go out to eat with friends, or I go out and do things, or if I'm working, or just like a full day studying, then there's no really point filming what I eat, because I don't really want to film in public, or you know, so then it like doesn't really make sense to film. As I said at the start of the video, I don't really like doing just normal full days of eating, because you've already seen those. So if you have any themed full days of eating, or what I eat in a day, which I should try, you know, let me know. I know it's kind of trendy now to eat someone else's diet, or you know, that kind of YouTube famous people. So maybe I'll try that, do some research, find someone fun to try, or if you can tip me or give me advice about someone I should try to follow their diet. Try Stephanie Butter more. Give one of her cheat days or one of those challenges a go. Good thing I've got my cloth. And like, I find it weird to eat on camera, if I'm honest. I don't enjoy my food as much when I'm filming myself, because I'm so hyper aware that I'm filming myself and I can't relax and enjoy my food. So yeah, so I'm going to turn off, I'm going to eat this, enjoy it, because I don't really enjoy my food when I'm filming myself the whole time. I like feel stressed or something. Ending the day and the video here. Got some cinnamon gingerbread, chia seed and overnight oats.
So good.
And then of course the Swedish lussebulle, or lussekatt, or saffransbun as you call it in English. So I baked these yesterday. I have a whole batch in the freezer. Yeah, these are super Christmas food, so it's like I had to eat them. These turned out so fluffy. So the recipe is on my Instagram. It's a healthy lifestyle. Follow me there. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe down below, and let me know what type of videos you want to see. Do you want to see more nutrition or vegan related videos, or more recipes, or what I eat in a day, full days of eating? You know, comment down below, give me some feedback, let me know what you want to see. So yeah, hopefully I can do one video a week in 2020. Who knows?